The next tab that I'm going to show you is the student list, which has a summary of a lot of information all in one place. So this gives you a quick snapshot of what students might need in terms of support and where students are excelling. We have their student ID, the grade level that they're in, the student name, the teacher name. So if you're just looking at your own students, then you should see your own name there. If you oversee multiple teachers, then you're able to sort and filter by the teacher name. Then you'll see the course that they're enrolled in, the number of school days that they've been absent. So that's using that 50% attendance rule. So if a student attends at least 50% of the school day, they're considered present. And if they attend less than 50%, they're considered absent. So that less than 50%, this is a count of how many times that has happened. This is the number of school days that they've been enrolled. And then we have that school day attendance. So it's just a ratio of their present school days, so the not absent days, divided by the number of enrolled days. The absent periods is specific to the course. So if we look at this first student, Abigail Reed, in English Language Arts 9, she's been absent one time from that class. But if we have multiple multiple courses for a particular student, then you'll see how many absent periods they have for each of those courses, all on different rows. We also have the grade for that class, a count of the number of behavior incidents. Those are only closed incidents level 4 or higher recorded in Infinite Campus. So if there is an open or in progress behavior incident in campus, it does not show up in the dashboard. And if it's less than level 4, it also doesn't show up in the dashboard. Finally, we have a column for flags and services. So these are any flags or services that the student has in Infinite Campus that is active today. So this particular student has an active ALP. This student here, Adam Garrett, has an active IEP and an active READ plan. Again, just like with all the other tabs, you can use the filter to select just a subset of students. And if you want to reset your filters, you can click the reset button, which you will see in the top left corner. It looks like this one, which is in the bottom left corner on my dashboard. If you'd like to export this list to Excel so that you can use to filter and sort and track in some other way, hovering over the table gives you an icon that says more options. Looks like 3 little dots. If you click on those 3 dots, you can then select export data. And that will give you the option to export the data with the current layout, summarize data, or underlying data to an Excel spreadsheet. If you are savvy, you can use that Excel spreadsheet download to open in Google Sheets. If you don't know how to do that, there might be a tech-savvy person at your school who can walk you through that process. So once you click export, then you'll have that export available. That particular skill is outside the scope of these videos for the student progress monitoring dashboard. And that's it for the student list.